happy?
Well, Lee Leffingwell has discussed the Austin Corps, and he's talking about using the power of the mayor's office to bring people together. We have a lot of different programs. We have the United Way. We have Keep Austin Beautiful. We have a lot of other groups that need support, and so really actually bringing everybody together as to a neighborhood community clearinghouse, getting people involved. So there's people who want to get involved,
right,
offering a city internship program, helping. I like to think of it as community organizers for the mayor's office.
That's a good idea.
And so getting people out into the neighborhoods on behalf of the mayor, and they can come to the mayor and say, hey, this is what I need help on. Do you have people? And he can put an internship, civic internship for high schoolers, college kids. But one thing we've discussed here on the campaign trail has become very apparent that it's not just high school kids and college kids that want to do this kind of civic internship. It's middle-aged people. It's elderly folks. A lot of people who want to give back. Giving back is not age sensitive.
Right.
If you have the desire in you to volunteer, then we want to use that. We want to make sure we embrace that. Lee Leffingwell, the Empower, is what he's trying to think of. Is just he knows that he doesn't have all the answers.
Right.
He knows that the community has a lot of great ideas, and it's not just about his ideas. It's about empowering everybody with their own ideas.
Right.
And so using the Austin Corps as a clearinghouse to get people involved, that along with his community cabinet, bringing leaders together from the neighborhoods, from the business industry, from the nonprofit side of things, and bring everybody down, and so that he can take as almost an open source government of ways to get involved. So that's something that I think the mayor can be really instrumental in.